Yeah, sorry guys. I was panicking because I just got blended from some Squid Game chips. Yeah, oh, just wait right here, guys. I'm gonna go. Yeah, it was Jihan and the frontman guy and the other guy. I don't know, bro. No, not frontman, the salesman. I'm only 8 years old, bro. Anyways, let's go ahead and start the video. Am I recording? Yeah, I'm recording. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and play some games. Let's see. Okay, anyways, let's see. Prison delivery. Let's go ahead and play that. Ah, I'm so cold. 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 Ah. Okay, sorry guys. I'm in a motel. Cause I'm gonna go see the Marias. It's like a singer. We're gonna go ahead and play the game that I always get bullied on. I love this game. I actually do. I don't know why. Let's go ahead and start the game. Come on, give me some Wi-Fi. Guys, but please, give me some bleach. I need eyes. I need bleach in my eyes. Right now. I got blinded. Thank God.
I'm the black dancer.
Oh no, not toddlers. Please, no toddlers.
But I'm the queen.
Shut up!
Come on, let's go. I know that.
Hey, you get out of my face if you do want me to do the code, bro. Hey, you want me to do the code or no? Hey.
I already did.
Ay, quítate. Ay, tú quítate. Ay. Niñas.
Hey.
Pestosas.
How'd you get that? Like,
Okay, anyways, let's go ahead and yes, ay, pinches niñas infelizas. Okay, okay, we're gonna only put the video a little longy, like a little short. I don't give a shit. Oh shoot, my voice shit's on. No, it's not. Who's this guy? Go! You didn't see that. Ah! What are you doing? Hey! I don't know how I'm doing that, but I'm just doing it. This guy probably chasing me because I slapped him. Let's go ahead and yeah. Oh no, rock and roll. You know what? You know what, guys, you know what, guys, you know what, you know the heck what, guys? Nothing. Comment down below if you know the Maria singers. They're the best. If you want, you can hit the like button and the subscribe button. It'll be really helpful. But I'm not forcing you though. I'm not gonna be like the other YouTubers that are like and subscribe. Okay, let's go ahead and oh, by the way, for the people who are looking for the code, it's AA23s if you're wondering. So okay, we reached to the red top. Let's go. Yeah, by the way, you need to check out my peaceful videos. I posted some new some peaceful videos, guys. You don't have to get jump scared anymore. Let's go ahead and jump and jump. Oh my gosh. But tomorrow I'm gonna see the Marias. It's gonna be fun. Then I'm gonna see Caluchis and the Secret Souls. Yeah, they're my favorite singers, actually. Rock car. Guys, but like I see this comment on like videos, like 3-second song thingy. I don't know, bro. Like someone's like, we will have flying cars in 2025, and then like bro, I think that was born after me. I don't know, bro. That trend. 2025 thingy. No, I don't want to be. I don't want to be this thingy. And by the way, the code is 2025. If you're wondering, what is that noise? I heard a ringtone. Okay, guys. So let's go ahead and troll some people, cause I'm ready to troll some stinky people. Thank God our voice chat's off. Boom! Oh gosh. Y'all, calm down. It's just the elevator. Guys, I'm still thinking about Jihoon kissing all those girls, guys, whatever. I'm gonna die. Oh God. Hold on. Wait. Okay. Gosh. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Here, guys, hold on. I need a vomit. Sorry. I'm so sorry, bro. I was throwing up. I was throwing up, bro, because I saw. Okay, my bag. Boom! There goes your tower. Watch it crumble. By the way, why is there so many videos of like missing Sam? Like, can they not enjoy the update? It's just a game, bro. You made my Pookie fall. What the hell? Oh shit! I just realized what. Let's pretend I never said that. Okay. Hey, okay, everyone, we're gonna end the video right here. So bye bye, everyone. Love y'all, guys. Love y'all, my little hot Cheetos. Bye bye.